Hi, it's Emilio at Immobiliser Fit. Today I've secured this 2020 Mustang with an Autowatch Ghost 2 system. So if someone obviously cloned this key or stole this key from you, tried to start the vehicle up, it just won't start up. If they keep trying, it may eventually start, and if it does, when you select a gear, the vehicle will switch off. So the way the customer would start this and drive this as normal is foot off the brake, turn the ignition on. We'll wait for the swipe and the dash to settle. Now we'd pop our disarm code in. For the video we've kept it simple at 1, 2, 3, 4. Get a double flash from the indicators, now foot on the brake, and we can start the vehicle up. If the customer wants to change this code, they'll obviously want it to be more secure than just 4 presses of the same button. The way they do that is ignition on without the foot on the brake, wait for the swipe to finish and disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is our current code. Get our double flash. Now we put our foot all the way to the floor on the accelerator and repeat our code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The indicator will start to flash. Now we can let go of the accelerator and it's ready to learn. So we'll just change it to up, down, up, down. We'll wait for 3 flashes and then repeat that code again. We'll get 2 flashes now to confirm the code's learned. There we go, so now we'll just turn the vehicle off. So that's now a new code learnt. So now to start the vehicle, it'll be ignition on, wait for the dash to settle, new code, double flash, we can start the vehicle, and it fires up. If the customer wants to take this for a service and they obviously want to take it back to Ford and don't want to give them the code for the vehicle, they just want it to act and behave like a normal car, the way they do that is ignition on without the foot on the brake and disarm the system. Now in this vehicle, the service button is the lifting of the handbrake. So we'll just lift this 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll get 5 flashes from the indicators. So now you've taken it back to Ford, it's in their garage, you put it in service mode, fire it up, start as a normal vehicle, and they can road test it and move it around the workshop as they need. If they exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, they'll get a double flash from the indicators, and when they stop the vehicle it will be immobilised and they'll need the code to start it. If that doesn't happen and you get the car back in service mode, you'll obviously want it protected, and to turn the system back on, you turn on the ignition without your foot on the brake, wait for the dash to settle and put your code in, and you get your 2 flashes. There we go, and this vehicle is now protected again. So if you want to get your car secure, this is a 2020 Mustang. We've installed the Ghost 2 Immobiliser, and we're Immobiliser Fit. And once again, this is how it protects the vehicle. It just won't start. So if you want to get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393 and we'll protect your vehicle. Thanks for watching.